Waterman House. This is a prairie or craftsman style home. The house was built in 1904 for Florence Louise Pink Waterman on the corner of the lot of the former mansion of her father, Thomas Smith. Its designer was Chicago architect Robert C. Spencer Jr., who was a friend, colleague, and promoter of the famous architect Frank Lloyd Wright. Some of Spencer's work is a part of Wright's tour of houses in the Chicago area today. Wright's influential style of organic architecture is very evident in this house. This house is an excellent example of the prairie and craftsman styles that brought a dramatic change from the Victorian era styles that had dominated American architecture. It was featured in Architectural Record magazine, as well as several issues of the House Beautiful magazine in the early 1900s, to which Spencer was a contributing editor. Concrete rose topiary friezes flank the 9-foot stained glass front door, which opens into an oval foyer with a domed ceiling and is illuminated by indirect lighting. The living room features a large hammered copper fireplace hood and bird's eye maple woodwork. The library has a hammered brass fireplace hood and iridescent blue ceramic tile surrounding it. The oval-shaped master bathroom has 2 stained glass windows, a brass-legged marble sink, a large spa-sized bathtub, and a unique needle shower. One of the most interesting features of the house stems from the circa 1900 uncertainty about the permanence of the use of electricity in homes. Each sconce lighting feature turns 180 degrees, with one side producing electric light and the opposite side producing gas light. These are still functional today. After the death of her husband, Mrs. Waterman opened a gift shop in the library of the house and a tea room on each sun porch, which was known as the Honeysuckle Hut. After Mrs. Waterman's death, this was the residence for many years of the Honorable Herbert Borman, Judge of the 4th Federal District Court, and his family.